Are you looking to maximize your profits from carrot farming? Choosing the right carrot variety can make all the difference between a good harvest and an exceptional one. Whether you're a seasoned farmer, a market gardener, or just starting out with a small plot, understanding which carrot varieties offer the best yield, disease resistance, and market appeal is key to boosting your income. In this guide, we'll reveal the top 5 most profitable carrot varieties you can grow, sharing insights into their unique features, growing requirements, and why they stand out in the marketplace. Let's dive in and discover which carrots can turn your garden into a gold mine. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Nantes carrot. Renowned for its sweet flavor, crisp texture, and uniform cylindrical shape, Nantes carrots are a favorite among both home gardeners and commercial growers. The roots have smooth skin, blunt tips, and a beautiful bright orange color that makes them highly attractive at markets. Nantes varieties mature quickly, often ready for harvest in as little as 65 to 70 days. This early maturity means you can potentially get multiple harvests in a single growing season, increasing your total yield. Additionally, Nantes carrots perform well in a variety of soils, making them versatile and reliable. Their sweet taste appeals to customers, and their consistent size makes them easy to bunch and sell. If you're looking for a carrot that combines fast growth, market appeal, and excellent taste, Nantes is a solid choice for profitability. Coming in at number 4 is the Imperator carrot. These carrots are the classic choice for commercial production, often found on supermarket shelves thanks to their long, slender roots and deep orange color. Imperator carrots are bred for high yields, with roots that can grow up to 9 inches long. Their impressive size and uniform appearance make them ideal for bulk sales and packaging. Imperator varieties are also known for their strong tops, which make mechanical harvesting easier, an important factor for large-scale operations. While they prefer loose, deep soils to prevent forking, the reward is a carrot that commands premium prices at both wholesale and retail markets. Their crisp texture and sweet, mild flavor keep consumers coming back for more. If you have the right soil and are aiming for large harvests, Imperator carrots can be a highly profitable addition to your farm. At number 3, we have the Chantenay carrot. These carrots are a top pick for growers with heavy or clay soils where longer varieties struggle. Chantenay carrots are shorter and broader, typically growing 5 to 6 inches long with a conical shape. Despite their compact size, Chantenay varieties are heavy yielders, packing a lot of weight into a small area. Their roots store well, making them perfect for overwintering and for late-season sales when prices are higher. Chantenay carrots are also less likely to become woody, even if left in the ground a little longer, which adds to their value for both fresh and storage markets. Their deep orange color and rich, sweet flavor make them stand out at the market stall. By choosing Chantenay, you can tap into markets that value storage crops and take advantage of higher prices later in the season. Securing the second spot on our list is the Danvers carrot. This heirloom variety has stood the test of time for good reason. Danvers carrots are known for their adaptability, performing well in both heavy and light soils. Their tapered shape, reaching about 6 to 7 inches, resists splitting and forking, leading to consistently marketable roots. Danvers carrots offer outstanding disease resistance, reducing losses and labor in the field. Their rich, sweet flavor and vibrant color make them a hit with chefs and consumers alike. Additionally, Danvers store well, maintaining their quality for months in the right conditions. This makes them an excellent choice for year-round sales and value-added products like juicing and baby carrots. For small and medium-scale growers seeking dependable yields and quality, Danvers carrots are a proven path to profitability. And finally, topping our list at number 1 is the Sugar Snacks 54 carrot. If maximum sweetness, high beta-carotene content, and superior market appeal are your priorities, Sugar Snacks 54 is hard to beat. This hybrid variety is bred for both taste and nutrition, offering a deep orange color and exceptionally high sugar levels. Sugar Snacks 54 carrots are long and slender, typically reaching 9 to 10 inches, making them visually impressive and perfect for both fresh eating and juicing. The roots are smooth, uniform, and highly resistant to cracking, which minimizes losses and boosts your bottom line. Sugar Snacks 54 matures in about 68 to 75 days, allowing for flexible planting schedules and even succession planting for continuous harvests. Their outstanding flavor and nutrient content command premium prices at farmers markets and specialty stores. If you want a carrot that attracts loyal customers and delivers top profits, Sugar Snacks 54 should be at the top of your list. So, how do you decide which variety is right for your operation? Consider these key factors: soil type, market demand, harvest timing, and disease pressure in your area. Nantes and Danvers carrots are great for a wide range of soils and are reliable for most growers. Imperator carrots are best suited for those with loose, deep soils and larger scale operations. Chantenay is the top choice for heavy soils or those seeking a crop that stores well for late season sales. And if you want to grab attention with sweetness and nutrition, Sugar Snacks 54 is the ultimate pick. No matter which variety you choose, proper soil preparation, timely watering, and consistent weeding are essential for getting the best yields and quality. Consider using raised beds or deeply worked soil for longer varieties like Imperator and Sugar Snacks 54. For shorter types like Chantenay and Danvers, good drainage and regular thinning will ensure plump, healthy roots. Don't forget about succession planting. By staggering your plantings every 2 to 3 weeks, you can enjoy a steady harvest and extend your sales window. This is especially valuable for direct-to-market growers who want a constant supply of fresh carrots for their customers. Finally, always keep an eye on your local market trends. Talk to buyers, visit farmers markets, and check what's popular in grocery stores. Sometimes, an unusual color or specialty carrot, like purple or yellow varieties, can offer a niche market and higher prices. However, for consistent high-volume profits, the 5 varieties we've covered today are tried and true winners. Start planning your next planting with these profitable carrot varieties in mind, and you'll be well on your way to a bountiful and lucrative harvest. Happy growing!